Sustainability means a lot of different things to different people, but we've kind of sorted through that to try and figure out exactly what is important to us. And to us, it means really three things. It means stewardship, responsibility, and values.
Doing business in a more efficient way that allows us to reduce the impact on the environment, but it's more than that. It's working with all of our stakeholders so that collectively we arrive at better solutions and become more efficient. If you think about it, our business model really supports sustainability. We consolidate LTL shipments for customers and suppliers in order to reduce their carbon footprint. And we really need to set the example in this area because we're in a high volume, low margin business, and improving efficiencies is critical to our long-term success.
Because we've gotten into it and really understand it and really have tried to figure out the exact meaning to Dot Foods, we keep coming back to the fact that it's very consistent with our values. So when we think about sustainability and we think about our values, we think about it not only being consistent, but actually meaning the same thing, which is we want to make sure that we continue to plan our business, plan our future, so that we have something that's very sustainable for future generations, very sustainable for future families.
Success as it relates to sustainability will mean that it's no longer an initiative. It's just kind of how we approach our work every day. It's how we approach our role in the business. It's how we approach interacting in the community.
We just ask everyone to think about sustainability, think about the future of our environment, think about the future of their families.
And if we can utilize this initiative to not only be consistent with our values, but to most importantly, be good stewards of everything we have and create a model that is successful both for future generations, but also sustainable for our business, sustainable for our customers, and sustainable for our families, sustainable for our employees, we're all going to be better off.